Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain how we can transfer money using Wise account. Open your Wise application. Using Wise application, you can transfer money from one country to another country where you want. Right now I'm using Wise application. If you want, you can use your computer or laptop. And you can see this is my Wise application. I already logged into my account. You can do the same, right? Now in my account, I have 92 euro in my account, okay? So I want to transfer some money to another account, right? Okay, you can see that we have in our screen, you can see home, card, send, receipt, and manage. I will click on send. Here we have international and local, right? Local means that I want to transfer money from Wise to Wise account or maybe in the same country, right? But international means that I want to transfer money from Italy to other country, Italy to India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and so on, right? So right now I'm on transfer international, right? Okay, I will write here the money, how much I want to transfer, 8 euro I want to transfer, okay? And you can see that we have fast transfer. Just click on it and click on balance transfer. I want to transfer money from my balance because if you transfer from your balance, you will charge less fees, okay? And click on country. I want to transfer PKR, okay, Pakistan. And you can see that is already done. Now click on continue. Continue. Now there are different account. I already sent money, but right now I want to add new account. If you already send money, you just click on the account and just send. But I want to send money to new account, right? Just click on add a new receipt. And if you want to transfer myself or someone else, you can select, but I want to transfer myself. Just write here the account holder name, right? And here the IBM number. This is the account IBM number, right? Just write here your name and account IBM number. It will detect your bank name, United Bank Limited, right? And click on confirm. Now you can see that it's in progress. Select the reason. Okay, I want to send money home to family. Okay, continue. Now you can see this is the details of the money I want to send, right? These are the all details and just click on confirm. Now, okay, your balance, the money already in my account, in my Wise account, or you want transfer from debit card. If you transfer from debit card, you have to pay 0.7 euro. If you want transfer from your balance, just you will pay only 0.49 euro fees. Okay, I will click on your balance. Okay, and click on pay 8 euro. And now you will receive a code by SMS. So click on receive code by SMS. Now I will receive a code. So I will put the code here and then 3387425. And you can see that is already done. You can see that your euro account to PKR, right? Is already transferred to my account. It will take maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, sometime one day. So I just transfer 8 euro to my account just for a demo. You can transfer 100 euro, 1000 euro, how much you want, right? So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.